Hello! In this video, we will show you how to prepare a great café au lait with your NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto Lumio. Adjust the drip tray to the low position. Place your cup. On this capsule, we recommend selecting the 6th bar with the selection wheel, or adjust to your taste. Lift the locking handle. Place the café au lait capsule in the capsule holder. Push down the locking handle. Move the lever to the hot position. Once the coffee flow has stopped, the indicator light blinks red. Don't lift the locking handle until the indicator light turns green and the lever automatically returns to the stop position. Open the capsule holder. Tip the capsule into a bin. Reinsert the capsule holder. And that's it! Enjoy your balanced and round café au lait. With NESCAFÉ Dolce Gusto, you can enjoy a wide range of delicious coffees, teas, and hot chocolates.